Hello, hi. This is Supreet, CTO of BoostMySite AI Solutions Private Limited Company. So today I want to show you the first automation workflow we discussed for Rahul Hospitality. Okay. This is not about replacing HOTLA, your banking system, or your existing accounting process. We are building an automation layer, an intelligent automation layer around the system you are already using, which is called as orchestration. Okay. So here the solution is specifically designed for hospital industry, like hospitality industry, very sorry, particularly businesses operating multiple properties and multiple payment channels, like more than 15, 20, 25, or 50 banking, channels. Okay. In your case, we are looking at hotel, restaurants, co-living spaces, and banquet operations, um, like this, etc. Where transaction coming through PMS, multiple bank accounts, cash, UPAs, and OTA platforms such as a Booking.com, Make My Trip, and Airbnb. Okay, let me start with a problem statement so that others can understand this. Let me first put the problems into numbers. Okay, today the account team has to download bank statements, export PMS data, prepare the data in Excel, and then compare transaction one by one. Now let's take the conservative example. Suppose the business has 500 transaction a day that need to be reconciled. If a manually checking and validating each transaction takes more than 5 minutes, that approximately will come around like 8 to 17 hours of reconciliation effort every day. 8 to 17 efforts. That means two employees hours a day hours. Okay, that is wasted completely. And that's the only transaction level checking. It doesn't include preparing statements, cleaning Excel files, investigating mismatches, or the checking OTA settlements. So here, these are the illustrative calculation, not numbers we are claiming for this hospitality industry. Actual current under the actual current workload. During the implementation, we would measure the actual transaction volume and actual time spent by the accounts team. Okay. So now, what are we trying to achieve? Is you can see on my screen. So we have built this, like a POC, proof of concept, to show you the demo. Here it's like the agents you can see here. There is almost like 8 agents are working on this application to give you the most accurate results for this. One is a email intake agent, document extraction agent. I'll explain you about all the agents. Just this is architecture how it works. All these special agents will communicate with orchestrator agent. Orchestrator agent is something, it's like a head of the family, or like a manager who manages all this application, including HOTLA, including Booking.com reports, downloading reports, analyzing these things. So this is known as a orchestrators. Okay, so how does this work? First is the email intake agent will be keep on seeing your mails. Once it detects the mail, it will download the statement and it will send to orchestra agent. Orchestra agent then it will analyze, like downloading the statement and putting it to the local repositories. Everything it gonna do. Okay, then now we know that PMS has no API. There is only one way to download the application every day is through physically going and downloading the statements and taking the data. Now every day we can't do that. So with the help of a playwright chromium, the system itself opens the application, enter the login credentials, and download the report for you. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, so here open live hotla, then downloads the PDF. It will store in the shared memory. Then the analyzation starts. Okay, like score, amount, date, narration, property, unmatched, short, duplicate, cache, so whichever is remaining. So all the reports will go to the owner dashboard here. Okay, this is what, and this demo will show it for you. As I said to you, there is a 8 agents that is working. So orchestra agent is also known as a supervisor, plans the run. It's not scrape or match itself. It delegates, waits for the owner to approve, analyze, and then it continues. Documentation extraction agent, which extracts the documents. Matching agent will do the scores, PMS versus bank, without relying on a single transaction ID, output match, likely match, review, and unmatched. OTA payout agent computes expected payout and will not flag missing money before the channel payout date. Like that email intake agent watches the mailbox for Rahul Hospital statement, subjects only, emit structure event. HOTLA browser agent which opens the HOTLA and downloads the statement for you. Exception agent create a owner facing exception with expected versus received versus different, and control to the human for resolve or follow. Okay, so which gives control to the human at one stage. Reporting agent publish one management view, collected, received, exceptions, attention records, which gives you the reports. So here is a technical stacks where I don't want to bore you with all the things. Let us directly dive into the demo now. Okay. So imagine I have opened a Gmail. Imagine this Gmail as your bank. Okay, where from this email I'm gonna send a statement to Rahul Hospitality Industry. Okay, so here Suprit at boostmysites.com. Imagine this as a Rahul Hospitality where you'll receive the statements every morning, which can be automated through the STFC portal. Now this is the manual operation I'm doing here. Okay, compose. So for an example, I'll send to Rahul Hospitality. Just imagine subject Rahul Hospitality account statement. Yeah. PFA. So let me attach the statement. I already have a statement here in the downloads, Rahul Hospitality statement. There is some transaction that I have recorded here. So let us, before that I want to show you how an agent will be keep on listening to your mails. See here. Now, this is an agent which is listening here. Every 10 seconds, the polling will be keep on running, okay? See the timing here. 3:37, 3:37, 4:37, 4:38. So it is keep on listening. Okay, every 10 seconds it goes to your mail, check if there is a new statement. If it is there, that's the point where the trigger happens for entire automation flow. Okay, so it is running live. So now let us send the mail and check whether it is detected or not. Send. For sending it takes 5 seconds, and to detect it takes 10 seconds. Overall 15 seconds it required to do the notification here. I'll minimize it. Okay, now let's go check did we received a statement. Still we are not received it. Before that I want to show you here in the dashboard reset demo. So it is now waiting for the bank statement email. Let us wait. So we have received here, and let us check our logs. Okay, logs, it's also detected. New message detected. Before that what I did was I reset the demo. So I think I have to okay, anyway we got it. So see, it has detected. I had reset before, now it has detected here. You can see the proof. New message detected at 4:39. So it came within a minute, so it has detected. Okay, now let us do the analysis here. It is completely automated. We don't have to click on analysis. For demo purpose I'm doing it because it does very quickly. So your accountants are taking a day to do this work, but this thing will do it in a seconds. Okay, so let us analyze. Email detected statement. Now it is going to hotla.com. It is entering. See, I'm not doing anything. My hands is off. So it has downloaded the statement. It will go back again and then download PMS file. Matching engine is working. Exception flagged. Ready to review. Okay, it has done its job. The statement is ready. Now let us open the reconciliations. Okay, we got it. So total compared 14 fields, matched 5, likely 3, review 4, unmatched 2. Okay, let's see this. Guest Hey has paid 5,250 to the bank as a UPI, you can see here. So it has matched 99%. Guest B 12,000, he has done the NEFT, so 91%. It has matched. It's green. Whichever comes under the green is matched. Nothing to worry about it. Guest C is paid 99%, 99%, 99%. It has done. So it is showing unmatched. What exactly is this? So guest G 8500. So it's not recorded in the bank transactions. So that has been flagged. So you need to check with your employees where exactly this 8500 went. 10,000. So there is mismatch in this payment basically. Paid is 10,000 and the recorded in the bank statement is 9,500. So you have to check with it. So for exact time it's gonna do all the stuff. 6,000 70%. So we have a 6,000 UPI. That is it's a match almost. So nothing to worry about it. So here there is a shortage. 4,750 came by in the PMS record, but the transaction has only 4,300. Like this, you can see the complete details of each transaction, which gives you the complete overall. Okay. Now let's go to the dashboard and check. Okay, you can see your entire reporting over here. Total PMS collection is 1,24,000. Bank received 2,34,000. Matched is equal to 2,000. 2,20,000. And exceptions, we have 8 exceptions on the transaction. So almost we are in short of 14,500 rupees. And we have to check where it went. And OTA pending payments is 42,000 from booking.com and other stuff. And we have to check with them when it is going to be recovered. So this is how it's gonna tell you like attention is required, 8,500 missing payment, possible duplicate, cash shortfall, OTA variance, short payments. So all the analysis it's gonna do. So bottom you can see you can connect with n number of banks, more than 15 banks you can connect. Everything will be done in under 10 minutes. The entire process. You can see here. HDFC Bank credits 1,28,000, match 1,18,000, unmatched 6,250 rupees. So yeah, if this report we have, we are not going to lose even a single rupee from our bank. Or if anybody is doing, all these things in between without our knowledge, so we can easily find out who exactly is doing and why the shortfall is coming in your account. So we don't need any kind of accountant to do this work. It's just a matter of seconds where we are connecting with the intelligent AI to do the activity. Yeah, this is about it, and this is about the demo we wanted to give you. And thank you so much.